I was sitting at home watching basketball game. I thought the airplane or something fell on my house. I heard loud kaboom. And my wife said, "Will, you hear that?" I said, "Yeah, I heard it, huh?" So I went in the back of my house, see something didn't fall on my patio. So I looked, and I came out the back there, and the kitchen exploded back there. That's what the kitchen is.